Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Squatter Picks Worst Place to Hide After Terrorizing RV Park.
On June 10, 2023, officers responded to a campground for a call of a woman trespassing.
So we have the campground down here. Yep. Someone, I don't know how they got in here, if they took somebody's key or if they just drove around because their car is beat to shit.
Okay.
But she is hiding inside a camper now. I've knocked several times.
Is it on your property?
Yes.
Then? Okay.
But she is not supposed to be down here.
Sure.
At all. It's like the person she used to date has nothing to do with her, and
does the person she used to date had your permission?
To be here?
Yeah.
He rents a lot, but she is not on the lease.
Okay.
And he's not even down here.
Okay.
She's down here by herself. I don't know how she got down here. I don't know if she drove around the gate because, there's no water.
Sure.
Or whatever. But she was causing problems last night and threatened somebody on Facebook this morning.
Okay.
That's down here. So.
Okay.
But she's not supposed to be here at all.
Okay.
So are you coming down too, or?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll let you guys pull in so I can knock this up.
Sure.
I don't have.
Melissa, it's the sheriff's office. Come to the door, please. Melissa, come to the door. It's going to get forced and you're just going to go to jail. Come to the door. You're not under arrest right now, but you need to speak with me. Melissa, come to the door now. Melissa, come out here now.
You got a closed door on the right.
I'm gonna go less lethal. I used to stay lethal. We go less. Melissa, come out here now.
Solid.
Lift up the wood, lift up. Get out here.
Melissa.
Get out here now. You're gonna get tased. Are you stuck? Are you stuck?
No, I'll be fine. Oh, God.
Where's your other hand?
On the left, right here. Oh,
Do you have any weapons with you?
I have no weapon.
Well, I don't know that. I've never met you before.
Fuck.
Give me your hand.
Oh, no, it's my boobs that are in the way.
Maybe you should move the blanket.
Give me your hand.
Are you gonna listen to me? Stop.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Get out.
Thirsty. Hell.
Well, then maybe you shouldn't be hiding in the bed.
Be a little bit nicer if you just listen to us, and maybe you can get some water.
Get over here.
That was it.
Get over here. Don't fucking reach for nothing.
Oh.
I told you to stop.
I
told you to stop.
Holy shit.
Quit reaching for shit. I don't know what you
Why
have in here.
are you pretending
Sit.
like I'm...
Don't go reaching now. Shh. Might mistake it for something else. Might have to get you together. No, but yo, this is crazy. The officer said, listen, you're not arrested right now. Just come to the door. Probably just trespass you. Keep it pushing. But the fact that you want to play games and they had to go in there and grab you, yeah, you probably getting locked up.
Stop.
I mean, you're acting like
Stop.
I am crazy.
You're the one hiding under a bed. I don't know what you have or what you're doing.
I don't have
Time out.
anything.
Listen, I don't know
I'm
that.
telling you,
Time
I
out.
don't have shit to hide from you.
Okay, well, if you believe it or not, people lie to me every day. Would you believe that?
I believe that. But I'm not lying to you.
Okay. I mean, you know that you're not allowed on this property, right?
Yes, and I will leave. I will absolutely leave, but I did not. I have not done anything wrong. I'm not being a bad person.
You're trespassing.
But I'm not, because he told me I could be here. He was supposed to be bringing my stuff. I'll show you the messages from him.
The owner of the land says you are not supposed to be here.
I know, because he all of a sudden said that it wasn't okay.
You have to go.
I had told him, I'm like, I have been sitting here all weekend waiting for you to bring my mail and just
no, I'm talking about
my
the
necessary
owner.
bullshit.
It's not.
I know, and I understand what Paul was saying. I know Paul, and Paul knows me. I'm not. This is not anything new. I'm not being a jackass.
But if a owner of a property doesn't want you on their land, you can't come here anyway.
I know. And I was
hold on. Let me talk.
I was doing that.
And you did
wrong.
that.
I did.
So if you know you're not supposed to be somewhere and you go there, that's criminal trespass. How did you get around the gate?
I can't tell you that because that'll get that person in
No one else.
trouble,
That's all you have to tell me.
bullshit.
Stop.
He will do that.
Did someone?
them.
Then fine. Did someone let you in?
Yes.
Okay, that's all you have to tell me.
Someone let me in.
Okay, that's all you have to say.
That's,
So what do you have in here that's yours? So this is what's going to happen. All right. You're going to get cited for criminal trespass to property instead of in lieu of you going to jail. You're going to get a ticket and you're going to have a notice to appear in court. Understood?
that's fine.
Have you been drinking today?
Yes, and that's why I told him I cannot drive right now.
Incredible.
I can't. So
Yeah, that's why.
if he could just let me leave here, then tomorrow morning.
He's not going to do that. He wants you gone.
See, I was thinking that would happen initially. But the fact that you had to go in there and get her, man, bring her ass to jail. She need to go to jail.
Right now.
Well, I can't. So
You don't have a choice. You're leaving today.
Then I'll walk. I'll just walk that way.
What are we going to do with your car? Because then
That's what I'm saying is they all know that that's fine. Everything has been fine, but all of a sudden...
Well, we got multiple things. You're intoxicated, so you can't drive it. You're suspended. Your license is suspended, so you can't drive it.
Yes.
And you have to leave right now.
Yes. So I will walk out of here.
I'm going to drive you. I'm going to drive you somewhere.
Today. I walked that way.
Perfect. You're going to get driven somewhere today, though. You're not walking. You're going to be escorted out of this property.
So where are you walking me to then?
I'm going to drive you to wherever you want to go in town.
I have to figure out who's going to come back and get me and figure this shit out because this is bullshit that he's done.
You're grown.
You've made the decision, so you're going to have to figure it out once I get you out of here. One more opportunity. Get your belongings, and we're going to leave.
But I can't.
Are you going to comply with that?
I can't drive back here then.
You're not going to drive back here. You're going to, once you sober up and you need to get your car, then you can make arrangements.
Where are you taking me?
And
then my car is still going to be here. How am I supposed to figure that out?
Where do you want to go? I can take you anywhere
I live in Indiana.
Well, I can take you to some...
So it's not going to be better.
Right.
And I know.
I can take you somewhere in Morris.
Call him.
Who?
Call Patrick now.
That has nothing to do with this.
Yeah, it does. Because he's the one that told me to stay here and wait for him because he was bringing my shit.
It's a violation of the order of protection. I can't contact him on your behalf.
Good God, you guys just sit here and look at that shit.
Melissa, we are
that is not
Where are we
fair.
Where are we taking you?
To jail.
Nowhere.
Are you going to go?
Yeah. I'm gonna drive myself out of
You
here.
can't drive.
No, you can't drive.
I can drive out of here.
No,
and
you
then
can't.
I
You're
can
intoxicated.
sit.
You're
Oh,
intoxicated.
Jesus Christ!
Are you going
Fine,
to?
then drop me off right outside.
I'm not doing that. I'm taking you to somewhere in town, so you can't come back
Where?
here and cause problems.
Where are you gonna do that?
Hotel, a motel, a restaurant.
I don't have the money for that.
A gas
So
station,
what are you
anything.
gonna do?
I'm asking
So
you.
what are you gonna do?
I'm asking.
I don't need that. Right now, what I have is somewhere to lay my head.
I understand that.
So leave me to be here where I have somewhere to lay my head.
Yep, you're under arrest. You're going to jail.
Oh. What do you guys want? Please.
I wanted you to comply.
No.
Stop.
Just
Put your
stop.
hand behind your back. You got him. We've given you about 800 opportunities.
What do you guys want me to do right now?
Well,
I mean,
nothing, because you're going to jail.
I mean, seriously. Where am I supposed to be?
Stand up.
Stand up.
Sorry. Where am I supposed to be this person? I've absolutely admitted to you.
I tried to work with you. I've given you.
What do you
I've
mean?
given you about 800 opportunities, more than I normally
What
would.
did you want me to say?
I wanted you to say, "I'll get my belongings, Sergeant Corey, and we can go somewhere."
I was actually that person.
No, you weren't. Both of us have our body cameras on, and you were absolutely not that person. So let's go.
The woman was charged with criminal trespassing and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today.
Now everybody that's there can finally enjoy the rest of their evening or whatever they're doing, however long they stay in there on the campsite or whatever, in peace. You know why? Because the guy said that she was threatening people on Facebook, other people that live there that's there at the campgrounds and stuff like that. So now everybody can throw a bonfire with some s'mores and all that good stuff later tonight because she's out of there.